I don't think everything's wrong, so I got my things home. I think there's some exciting and some good links. So I was looking at this package like I can go get one. Thanks. Take these off. Alright, so I got this package on, and okay, so I clicked on what turns off. Right click. Okay, I got covering. This is the MacBook itself. So I'll take a look at that. Alright. So I have links. So I can skate some of this packing plants. Skate on. I got the this is the 2025 MacBook Air. It's a, I think this is like the 512. Yes, so 2015. Intro 512 16 like 60 gigs and yeah. This is interesting. Yeah, it's like a strike. Seems like okay, I was kind of I totally different programs. So this is like probably like time, I think, right, I think thanks. So I got a Google one. So it's like think, still recording, and things are getting, and single return on, because I was like, but alright, I think that one's like, I think there's like the scouts, like, on the side, but I think this is a game. So I think like control like the thing itself, right? But I just got like accent and two stick things on the right and right. So drink. You just get wrong. The kind. And links, you just get wrong and trunks and drinks and so. I could get that hot take. So it's this accent. This is the screen. I think it's got that everything. Yeah, so I don't got that kind and so the screen has been like I think the start the Alexa was like had that spank. I don't know, so I can't say with the sky, but you could tell the spank is done. I think spank you don't get the screen. Those clones can extend high, so I can start now. I can't get it. I think it's gonna I have.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
That's alright. I got things to learn to things using like of course laptop. Got like a good thing around. Alright, so I can try to set this up. Let's go and get the only dent. The things I didn't like set that's going. This is. I can get the students check on. I can sit and zoom. Alright, I just got like, I can, catch it. So I can just go to, replicate. Alright, so I think we should like click on the cut line. So I click on the link play, but I don't see. So that's like, and then I actually I can cut some things can do that. It's like there's been the line, so it's like the background. Alright, so I can still send it into a cut. So I just gonna go and it's gonna be like set up the accounts and I can use some Mac. So it's gonna come because it's just probably like next like I say probably a decade. I got like nothing. I think I got like 12 like a Pro. This is like a really 12. Everything got the controller got the interim. So I think that makes sense. Let's get that and touch it in. I got this. I think the top. I think thanks. I don't have enough fingers. I can pay second round. So now that is all set, and I'm gonna go in. Alright, cool. So I didn't. So what I have to do is go to a quick rank. So I'm time to fix fine. Around 6 seconds away and I try get sign. And I guess the things I can count my ranks. Final trunks thing and this I paint like I can't I paint as like a price that I could got like the ring. And next to like the rings have been like on stock. So I could have got a coupon. Even so I got the like the ring. It talks a ring. I still got a decent this thing is decent. I think the screen I got ring. I also think in person the screen links would be expensive. Like I'm talking about like $120 to replace a screen and I think so I don't think it's okay. So I got like Sting. Okay, I don't know what this thing is aimed at. I think this shouldn't okay, right? if I'm not mistaken, I can't think there's like all strengths this forwards. Yeah, I think this is forward. Okay, yeah, those are okay. Right. So this thing should not have some strengths, but this is the electric cable. Because this is like probably electric and simple website program.